IBM PureFlex systems integrate compute, storage, network, and virtualization into one flexible system. To help you manage that, we built the IBM Flex System Manager, designed to not only help manage the hardware and firmware, but also the virtual servers and hosts, the storage, and the network, all in one view. To start, let's imagine that I'm responsible for a number of PureFlex systems. To do that, I need mobile access so I can see the status of my systems from anywhere. New for Flex System Manager is a native mobile app for iOS, Android, and BlackBerry that shows real-time status of my chassis and compute nodes, an interactive chassis map, and the ability to drill down to view detailed alerts so I can understand any potential problems. When I open the mobile app, I see a list of all the Flex System Managers I can connect to. I tap one, and it instantly shows me the overall status of each chassis. Now this list is sorted based on severity, so the chassis that needs my attention is on top. I see the front chassis map. I get to see the big picture right away. I see all my x86 and power compute nodes and their status. Now I can also toggle between showing status and online state. If I want to see the components that these compute nodes depend on, I tap the rear tab to see the Ethernet, fiber channel switches, power supplies, and fans. I click on the Status tab, where I see the real-time status of all chassis resources so I can understand what the problem might be. We've also added some big enhancements on how you explore your Flex system itself. In one click, and sometimes 0 clicks, you can view status and details across your chassis, your compute nodes, your virtual servers and hosts, your storage systems, whether they're integrated storage nodes or external V7000s, and your network resources, all in one view. Let's imagine I'm a data center administrator on call for the weekend. I just got a text from the Flex System Manager saying that I need to look at a problem because there might be something wrong with the system. The first thing you could do is see the Flex System Manager Explorer view and mouse over to see the chassis map. And it will show you interactively which compute node is having a problem. You could right-click and enter that into a maintenance mode. Now what that does is it tells the system pool, please take all of the workloads currently running on that compute node and move them somewhere else. Now the system pool knows better than we do where that somewhere else would be because it's continually monitoring all of the other compute nodes. But Flex System Manager doesn't just help with day-to-day activities. For example, if I was looking at the chassis map and noticed that there are new compute nodes available, I can deploy configuration patterns to help prepare them for production. I can select to deploy compute node images onto those bare metal compute nodes so they're ready for virtualization. Now this is pretty unique. PureFlex supports multiple hypervisor types. And with that, I can choose to deploy VMware on one compute node and deploy KVM on another compute node. And when the deploys happen, they'll be ready and added to the virtual environment and ready for virtualization. Once the deploys have finished, your virtual environment has grown and you're ready to deploy more work. And that's just a taste of what Flex System Manager has to offer. Hardware management, firmware updates, managing virtual servers and hosts, storage and network, all from one view.